Pioneer Industries Factory is a dynamically developing company located in the UAE, has developed a technology for the rapid construction of frame monolithic buildings with the use of Pioneer non-autoclave lightweight cellular concrete that is a product with ideal ecological characteristics. This construction solution is an innovative way of developing building and construction technology that can significantly shorten construction time. Building a finished basement with an area of 250 square meters can be erected in just 30 days. A metal frame composed of bent galvanized profile, which is mounted on a prepared foundation, is the basics of Pioneer construction technology. Heavy combined fiber cement panel serves as permanent cast framework inside and outside of the wall. Arrangement of service lines is put between the panels. The panels are fixed to the steel frame using screws or special latches. The joints are sealed with standard adhesives. Wall thickness and panel dimensions depend on the general technical requirements of the thermal building insulation, acoustic isolation, and strength. Dry mixture of Pioneer compound is mixed with water in a special hydraulic mixer that does not require connection to an electric supply, is then poured between the installed panels, completely filling the space inside. Within 40 minutes, the mix increases in volume from 2 to 3-fold and turns into a homogeneous monolithic structure. An important advantage of Pioneer technology is that it allows for construction of buildings in all regions, including those remote from power supply. Horizontal slabs and flat roofs fixed by Pioneer technology are mounted in the way similar to that for vertical walls. The panels are fixed to a metal frame and the Pioneer mix fills up the space and rises to the required level. Also, Pioneer technology allows for building a fence around buildings in the quickest possible time. Pioneer innovative technology is applicable for construction of buildings of any height and number of stories. Pioneer innovative technology is applicable for enclosing structures of building envelopes of any height and number of stories. Strength, durability, and comfort are the main advantages of the buildings constructed by Pioneer technology. These walls are built to stand against threat from heat, cold, humid climate, and even fire. Pioneer Industries factory frame monolithic construction technology allows you to quickly and easily build an environmentally friendly building in any climate and in any geographical location in the world.